Hello guys and welcome to your 5th episode of your plugin tutorials. This is kind of irritating because I've tried to record this 4 times now and I've been interrupted each time by someone, so for the 5th time or the 4th time, I can't even remember how many it is now, we're going to put public array list string muted equals new array list string. You should know what that means by now. If you don't, well, it's just array list storing strings. So let me explain what we're going to be doing. We are going to be making a jail plugin. Well, we're going to be making it so we can jail players. Now, by muted, I mean... Well, actually, we can remove that line. We're just going to put them in their own little chat. So yeah, and the chat is just going to be called muted, where basically anyone who's been muted will be put in that chat, and other players can join it voluntarily, but they cannot join any other chat. In fact, I'm going to put that back, because that way we know if they are muted or not. Right. So firstly, what we need to do over here, we need to make a new command called label dot equals ignore case jail. Now this is going to have several components. It's going to have setting up a jail, storing the data somewhere, and yeah, that's about it. So what we're going to need is we're going to need to make a file. So file jail file equals new file folder. So we already put folder in this, and jails.yml. So now what we need to do, we need to put a YML configuration for it. So YML configuration config equals new YML configuration. Except this is going to be jail. So now we just need to make sure if jail file dot exists. So if it doesn't exist, jail file dot create new folder, file, and we need to try and catch that, of course, like we did with the last time, and we need to put jail dot load jail file, and we're going to do a multi-try and catch. Yeah, I'm not the neatest coder, you can neaten this out later if you want, but whatever, I'm not gonna. So now we've loaded that, we need to do if args.length is equal to what? No. So what's the first command going to be? It's going to be jail set spawn and then their name. So it's going to be if args.length is equal to 2. We're going to put here. We're going to put if args 0 dot equals ignore case set spawn. So slash jail set spawn, and if args 1 is not equal to null. Well, we don't even need that line because we already know it's not going to be null, but whatever. So if the args length is that, what do we need to do? We need to no. If args.length is equal to 2, we need to create it. So slash jail create and then their name. So if jail dot contain, no, I'm just gonna put get string, no, if jail dot contain, no, get string jails dot list dot and then plus args 1 dot to lowercase, and if that is not equal to null, well, if it is equal to null, sorry. So if that is null, what do we want to do? We want to jail dot set. What do we want to set? We want to set jails dot list dot plus args1 dot to lowercase, and we just want, well, jails dot list dot, yeah, args1 dot to lowercase, and we'll just put plus dot x player dot get location dot get x, get block x, and of course we need to get the method of get location and not the actual value. So we need just to do that twice more, and here we'll just put y and z, and here we will put get block y, y, and that will be z. So there we are, we've done that. So we get the x, y, and z, we set them. We need to put that to dot x as well. So if the x is not null, so now we've set that, and we also need to jail dot set. We need to get dot world and player dot get location dot get world, and then we can put dot get name. Poof. And then what we need to do is we need to get this here, and we need to put else if args dot length is equal to 1, because you see we're putting that there because that ends there. So yeah, we're just gonna make an else if statement. So we're gonna get if the args is different. I'm gonna put if, well, yeah, actually I will put player t player equals plug no plugin dot get server dot get player args 0. And so if it's slash jail and then their name, what we want to do is we want to put them into plugin B. We need to make another array list. We need to put that as jailed. So we need to put plugin.jailed.put.add, sorry. No, we need to get if they are in it, so if plugin.jailed.contains player.getName, we need to player.sendMessage, not tplayer. Wait, no, we need to get it, so if tplayer is containing that, so we need to put tplayer.sendMessage, you have, wait, chat color dot world plus you have been released, and we'll just send a player message saying you have released so and so. tplayer.getName, and we'll just put plugin.jailed.remove player, tplayer.getName, and plugin.muted.remove player, tplayer.getName. And then what we want to do is we want to do the opposite of that, so else you have been jailed, and we're going to change that to red. As I've said before, red I associate with bad things. So we're recording for 9 minutes. We can get a lot more stuff going in. Sorry about the dogs. I'm just going to mute my mic. sorry about that. So as you can see, I've just edited that, so they're not removing it, but you add it there. So that should be alright. Now there's only one thing that we need to do, and I'm just gonna put jail player T player. This doesn't exist yet, but we're gonna create it now. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna put public void jail player P, and we're gonna need a few files. So we're just gonna get these files. Okay. There we are. There's the files we were looking for, and we just want to do p.teleport. Well, actually, we want to get a location, so we need to do location jail equals new location jail dot get string. No, well, we're just gonna put that, 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 and that, just so we don't get any errors. So here, seeing errors. Oh, that means to go at the end on it. Yes, it does. I think they've changed that. Right, whatever. We'll just leave it there. So we'll go world equals jail dot book plugin dot get server dot get world jail dot get string information dot. We also need to get the string name. We also need to get the jail. So information dot jails. Wait, what was it? Why did we start it? So jails dot list dot plus jail plus dot world. I believe it was. Yep. Now we can just import that from Bukkit. And then we just need to put int xyz and then we're just going to put x equals jail.getInt, and then we can just copy this path here, and then we can change that to .x, and then what we need to do, we need just to copy that 2 more times, y, z, y, z, and then we can change it to location, jlock. So now what we need to put is we need to put, well, we'll just do that, and we can just put int y and int. I believe we need to cast it. Yeah, we need to cast it because they're doubles. We need to put you just need to change this as well because that was conflicting. You might have noticed. JLC file we will put that as, and we'll put jail file dot load JLC file, and we will just try and catch that. I'll just put just a normal try and catch here. I don't see any harm. There we go. I think that's done it. and then we will just put args1 dot to lowercase, and we will change that. I'll remove that line there. Hang on. So if that is equal to create, I need to think about this. So how am I meant to do this? So slash jail create will be there. We're just gonna remove that. Remove that. Just move that up there. Right there. Like that. So what we do is we use slash jail player name and then the jail. We can also put that. We need to move that down. One more. Just one more. I'm gonna mute my mic again and pause the video. Okay, and we are back. Sorry about these dogs, these are such a pain in the ass. What was we doing? We need to click insert. So let's see what we was doing. So we need just to get that. Get all of that. You've got no idea what it's like having dogs. I am sorry, but it's just the truth. Here we go. So if it's not create, then we need to do that. Then what we need to do, we need to go into our plugin.yml. Jail. Description. Jails player. And then all we need to do now is make it so they can't speak whenever they are muted. So we go into chat listener. If swear down. If plugin.muted.contains player.getName. We're gonna make this not in a minute anyway. We're gonna say if it's not. Oh, I found out how to do it. Control Shift D. Apparently. Right. So we formatted it. So now we need to put if it's not. And then we're just gonna put something here saying else player.send message chat color red plus u muted. Done. I believe that is it. So there's just one more thing we need to do, and I didn't forget it. Scroll down here. And you set that to jail. Now the chances is there will be an error. YouTube.jar. Oh no, we need to refresh it. No internet. Okay, whatever. I can live with that. I'm gonna need to remove easy FFA from my plugin. And oh, we had an error there. Where's this error coming from? Alright, was the error with the other plugin? Let me in the config file that generated. 20 minutes, eh? Wanna go for another 22 minute? I think we should. Right, so firstly, let's see if it all works. Just generated the configuration file. Now let's see if it works fully. So I use /jail. Oh yeah, it won't work if we just type /jail because it'll say an internal error has occurred because I didn't say what happens if there's not that amount of arguments. Oh no. What we're going to use /jail exo underscore Callum. No, we need to use /jail create face palm. What the fuck? It's not registering the command. So we put it there. We put it in the plugin.yml. There. So why isn't this working? Cause I knew that I'd be fighting with all these wheels. It's trying to find something. Yeah, so it ends there. So if the label is jail, has it even run it? Yeah, so it's registered the command, but /jail create and then the name. Base /jail create base. Has it done? No, I know why. Need to save it. And try and catch. Now there's one other thing we need to do, but I don't know where. It doesn't say anything. Oh yeah, I don't think it's meant to say anything there. Okay. Let's re-export this. And reload. Now if I type it, it should do. /jail create face. Jails. It has made the file. There we are. Now if I type it again, the codes should not change. Let me get it open. I'm ready. Look at the codes. /jail face. Now we can just use /jail. Wait, let's test so we can speak. Whatever. /jail. XL underscore Callum underscore LX. Face. You're being jailed. Did it work? No, it didn't work. Where did it not work? Sync player chat. Um, let's run over a little bit. Do I have more? No, I don't have more than one Minecraft open. So I'm facing this. I should get teleported over there. No, I don't get teleported, but not to worry. I'm sure there is a perfectly logical explanation. What I am worried about is this. So if plugin.muted.contains player.net name, why can't it run that? else player.send message. You have been muted. So that's all correct. So why can't it get if it contains it? Plugin not muted dot contains player dot get name. I don't know why it shouldn't let me know to run that. Is it null? Is it not initialized? Should have been initialized. Yeah, it is. Got hiccups again. Let's re-export this. Oh, I know. /help. /help. No, /chat. Bacon. Now I speak. There we go. So there's all of his prefixes. Let's check. /change block. Let's see if it'll drop lava. What about piston? No, hang on, let's check. Yeah, 17, that'll do. Log. That's a nice ID. Let's check if this still works. Well, I haven't touched it, so it should still work, but... Oh no. Now let's try. There we are. Works. So why isn't it... Right. So if I jail myself... with the jail face... I'm jailed, I can no longer speak. It'll tell me I am muted, so now if I unjail myself... Okay. Why? Why? Oh, why does that not work? Let's have a look down here. The null pointer exception. Jail to lowercase. Hang on, I'm just gonna put jail equals jail dot to lowercase. I know what it is. It's never told to teleport us. Herping the derp like no one ever did. Dun dun dun. Herp the derp is my real herp. Herping the derp. Herp the derp. Gotta herp the derp. I know it's my herp. So does it keep my chat channel or will it throw me another null pointer exception? Okay, that's not a problem, that's just because I need to leave and join, but that can be fixed easily. So now the real challenge, /jail, XL Callum space. What the fuck is going on? Name cannot be null. I'm sorry, but I'm really confused. I'm getting so many errors. Let's have a look. What line is this? Illegal argument exception. Something from down here. So I think it's been passed along wrong. Is it? No, args 1 to lowercase, so I can remove that. I don't know why that would have messed around with it, but it's good to test. If this doesn't work, I will just release a patch video on how to fix it. Okay, that didn't work at all. Is it because I'm already jailed? No, it's not. So, guys, be expecting a patch episode later today. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video and are looking forward towards the patch, give us a like. If you have any suggestions whatsoever, please send me a private message or put it in the comments down below. If you want to see more like this, subscribe. Goodbye. Hello guys, Callum here. It's really late where I am right now, so I'm gonna keep this short and quiet. So instead of me uploading it as 2 separate episodes, I decided to merge the patch with this video, so I'm going to quit this narration now and let you guys watch it. Bye. Hello guys, Callum is in. I am back, yeah, and I have found the glitch. This is the 1-minute patch video. Now, all we did here was we said get the string jails.list and then we put 2 dots, but we didn't actually put the jail name in, so we need to put plus jail plus dot world, and this should work. I have tested it and I think I have reproduced it right. Let me just. So now if I put test, so it works, and then I use /jail xl. Wait, I called the jail Stevens, and then I jail myself again. You're being released. That was the 1-minute fix video. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Don't forget to share to everyone and watch the first video, and bye.